GlobalSign was founded back in Belgium in 1996, over 25 years ago. We became part of the GMO Internet Group in 2006. We started back then by providing SSL certificates and digital signing certificate solutions, and from there we expanded our offerings. We are currently in Maidstone for the UK business, but we also have offices in London and then in Belgium, where it all started. But we also have offices across the globe, with the US, Brazil, India, Philippines, Singapore, and I can't forget our headquarters in Tokyo, Japan. As part of the global IT team, we primarily help and assist with the technical support, but also the communications and administration of some of those services that our staff use and need access on a daily basis. The troubles that we had experiencing with our old provider primarily was that most of our offices had a Cisco on-prem solution, which was set up and integrated across multiple offices to allow users to call staff internally. These were linked to a regional Cisco server, and then that formed 2 clusters across the global offices. So there was quite a lot of maintenance and work involved to keep that up and running. So it was very time-consuming, complex to keep it all up to date with the yearly maintenance costs. And therefore we wanted to start looking at ways that we could update this, maybe integrate the calls within Microsoft Teams. So this all led to looking at what other options were available. We heard about Fuse2 Communications after researching into the product. We had quickly recognized that Fuse2 was a premier partner for the Anywhere 365 product. Regarding the technical support and the account management, after further discussions, was all great. It's very positive. It's lovely to work with a company that's focused on good customer support. They're always easy to contact. Any issues are always understood quickly and dealt with. This is good because Fuse2 was a company that said that they could do what we wanted, while most others that we had spoken to couldn't offer what we wanted, because we were rolling out a global cloud-based solution with the requirements that we really did need across all our offices. We decided to do that one office at a time. While that does take a bit of time, working across the globe, I felt that this was the best way of doing it, especially with time zones and getting staff on board. The rolling out of the system worked out pretty well because Anywhere 365 do offer a good guide on their own website with nice short videos explaining the features, which really helps the staff being able to understand how certain features work, regardless where they are in the world. And then overall, it has helped the whole system with people logging on, accessing it, answering and receiving calls through Teams. Big improvement, because integration is key, and it does reduce the amount of apps that staff need to have installed and to log in. We've seen quite a good increase in productivity, effectiveness and reliability, because we're much easier able to track the call by having access to the wallboards, whether that's the app version or even the web-based version, so people can access that whether they're in the office, at home, or even traveling around on the mobile app. And the team leaders and managers have found that it's a big improvement, so that they can see where the resources need to be moved around, or extra support or staff are needed at the relevant times. But overall, it's just the ease of use for the daily features, so staff can just get to grips with the system and use it as best as possible.